ready in 4, 2, go.
You have to turn me, honey.
Oh, that diving was awesome. Did you take a video of that?
I did.
Yeah, but are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
On your back a little bit.
I know, that's why I'm fine, because I can hit my head
Go, Catherine.
on the water. Remember, you have a video of that? Sweet.
I still am, actually.
Oh, good. I'm gonna get up here. I like that dive.
That was good fun.
I might do it again.
I can't get up there. My legs aren't tall enough.
Save your energy.
Hey, my name is Toby, and I jump off things sometimes, and yeah, so, hey.